welcome back to my channel. So we are actually currently in my gym. I have been working out now, so I want to like get back on my health and fitness journey. So I got my watch on, my cool new wristband from my best friend Danielle. I got some leggings on from Target. I'm just gonna do cardio today. My Nikes and then just a plain t-shirt. But yeah, I want to hop on the treadmill, get a workout in, and I'm really excited because I want to start the new year off right. Everybody keeps saying new year, same me, but deep down I feel like it's a new year and I want to be a different me. This last year just was not a good year for me. I feel like I fell off. I gained weight back. I did lose the weight again, and then getting sick in December, the entire month of December, losing 10 pounds in 1 month from just not eating because my throat issue and stuff. But I just want to be fresh. I just want a fresh start. Not a new me, just a fresh start maybe. I don't know. But yeah, so it is a new me this year because I'm more motivated than I've ever been in my life. I feel like I just, like last night when we got home from my friend Danielle's, we went over and had friend miss. We had taco salad and stuff, like it wasn't even bad or anything. But when I got home, I told Jason, I'm like, I want a snack, but I don't even want to eat bad. Like I genuinely am sick of eating bad. Like, you know, just not like feeding myself the things that I am craving, like celery and ranch would sound better than a bag of chips, you know, little changes like that. So anyways, I'm going to hop on the treadie. We did just get this like a few months ago and I've used it like a handful of times, but my goal is to use it like 3 to 4 times a week every day. I don't know, we'll see. Just because even if you walk on the treadmill for like 10-20 minutes a day, that's better than nothing because I work from home. Jason works from home. Like it's winter here, it's like 30 degrees and we don't go for walks right now because it's so cold. And so basically I'm sitting all day. So there's really no reason why I couldn't get my butt up and do some sort of activity. And even if you don't have a treadmill, you don't have a gym, my biggest suggestion, you guys, is go on YouTube. It is free, absolutely free. Just type in like at-home workout. I remember back when I was like living at home and I had no money, I would just look up like cardio videos. Like you could just type in easy cardio videos for at home and there'll be a bunch of workouts you can do, legs, arms. Honestly, you guys, you don't have to have any equipment to lose weight. You don't have to have a gym membership. And you know, no, come on. My animals are just like cray cray. You don't have to have money. You don't have to have a lot of things. People think that even eating healthy is a lot of money, but it's not. You can get bread and eggs and, you know, like get a source of protein. If you don't like to eat meat, buy vegetables. Frozen vegetables are just as good as real ones or raw ones. Honestly, you guys, like just don't make excuses, just do it. You literally are like, oh, I have no money. Like, what do you eat then, you know? There's a ton of videos. Even one of my friends on here, she does budget friendly, like $2 a meal videos and stuff like that. So like there's ways around it. So really push yourself. And please do it for yourself. Don't do it for anybody else. I mean, that can be a motivation when someone's like, oh, you're just lazy or, you know, but make sure you're doing it for the right reasons. I find I do it for the wrong reasons, I give up. I believe in you and I truly think that you can do it. If I can lose weight, you can lose weight, like everybody always says. But it's so true because I'm literally the laziest person. I'm not even joking. I would rather sit on the couch and watch Netflix all day than do anything, but I force myself to. So, all right, let's work. Ow! I hit my hand on the nipple light. I always call these nipple lights because the little thing. Anyways, let's go work out, baby. Hi guys, I'm done working out now. I did a little bit of arms and cardio, and now I'm ready to go upstairs and just drink a ton of water. I kind of have a headache right now. I think it's from my bun. I get headaches when my hair is out. Super good workout, 31 minutes, 239 active calories burned, 317 total. Let's go upstairs. I'm going to, I don't know, maybe have protein oatmeal. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. You guys, so it's a little bit later now. It's 6 o'clock. I didn't eat anything after I worked out, but Jason and I decided to get Chipotle. So I had a free chip and guac for my birthday. So I'll probably just eat a little bit of this. I typically don't get chips and guac because it's so high in points. Jason got a burrito, and then I got a Chipotle bowl with white rice. I'll throw up on the screen everything I get and the points. But yeah, I'm super excited and we're super hungry, so that is my dinner. I love Chipotle. It's so simple, it's so easy. You just track it on the app. So yeah. Friends, I'm coming to you from my office. It is 11:57 and sorry, I couldn't see. And I actually am freezing today. I don't want to work the last couple minutes. My throat's killing me today. Well, not like that bad, but I just don't want to work the last couple minutes because my throat's been bothering me. So let's see how many calls I took. I do scheduling, if you guys don't know. So day in the life for me, I wake up around 7:30, 7:40. I roll out of bed, get up, go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, head out, and I get, you're sitting on top of my water bottle, but I get a fresh thing of water, and I already drank one whole one today and like a little bit of a half by noon. And it's noon now. On my break, and then work a little more, and then I'm done. I'm gonna head upstairs and eat some lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna have, but I wanted to film what I eat today. I haven't eaten anything today except for Halls, if you consider this food, which I don't. And then, like I said, my 40 ounce of water. This tea, I left it down here, I forgot. It's so bad. Teas, oh, they're so good. Love them. Just clock out for lunch. Let's go make some food. Do you guys love my socks or what? That's a Monday look for you. I'm gonna make a tuna sandwich. So I got this bread from Target. It's just the Delight 45 calorie. I love the, if you've been here for a while, you know I love the, I'll throw a picture up on the screen. I'm blanking right now. I can't think. I'm tired, but this one's decent. And then I'm gonna use light mayo. It's pickles because I love pickles. And then I'm going to throw some jalapenos on it. And then I always use, hi honey, I love you. The sea. I always use chicken of the sea in water. Never get the oil. 0 points. So good. So let me whip up a sandwich, maybe a side, and I'll show you guys what I eat and how many points it is. These are the seasonings that I use. I use black pepper and pink salt, garlic salt, and celery salt. Just a little bit of these just because you already have salt in it. And then I'm toasting my bread. I wanted to share this with you guys. If you hate tuna, which I know a lot of people do, you could just use chicken, canned chicken. It's the same thing and it's super good still. And then now I'm going to cut up 2 pickles and some jalapeno to just put in it. Okay, you guys, and then I'm going to have half of a bag of these Flamin' Hot Ruffles my friend got me for Christmas. And then I had 1/3 of the tuna mixture on my 2 pieces of bread, and I'll throw the points up on the screen. Now I'm gonna have a chocolate cake fit snack. I have never tried the chocolate before, so let's see. The blueberry one is my favorite. Peanut butter one's okay. Here's the chocolate. It just smells like chocolate. It's a little hard. Is it stale? It's really good. This would be so good heated up in the microwave with whipped cream on top. These are the Alani Nu bars. They're so good. You can order like a box of them. I love the chocolate. It's really good. I really like it. Hey you guys, so I'm unthawing some hamburger meat. I'm going to be making my favorite hamburger gravy. It is so delicious. It's so easy, you guys. We've made it here before on my channel. I'm gonna throw up all the points at the end, but I just want to show you what I use. So it's hard to come by cream of mushroom soup still a little bit in our town, so And sorry I'm looking so rough. I just woke up from a nap. I was really exhausted. I only slept like 2 or 3 hours last night and I just was not feeling good. So anyways, like, you know when you're so tired that you feel sick? I have a can of cream of mushroom soup, just regular, some 90-10 beef, and then we're gonna eat it over top of these Idaho 4 cheese mashed potatoes. You guys, like how I make it, it's so easy. You just brown the hamburger, the mushroom gravy, a little bit of milk, bone apple tea. It's so good. And I had some Cheez-Its, which I showed you guys, for 5 points. I was hungry when I woke up. And I'm almost done with my second water of the day. And then I'm gonna have another one with dinner. So then I'll have 3 waters. So Jason actually just ran up and went to go get cat and dog food for our babies and some cat litter while I make dinner. So that is that. Really need to grocery shop for my last what I eat today. I still haven't even grocery shopped. Still wearing mismatched socks, but Built Bar sent me these. It's chicken broth, beef broth, and more beef broth. They gave me 2 chicken, but I accidentally cut the box open. But yeah, they sent me this, which I'm really excited to give these a try. I'll let you guys know if I like them. I don't know about you guys, but I like to cook my hamburger, since it is lean, in water. Oops, sorry. Because then it doesn't get all dry and gross. There's like no fat on it really. So I just let it cook down. Jason taught me this. It's kind of like boiling it. And it just cooks the meat perfectly. And then once the water's all boiled down, then that's when I brown it. Just onion. And then once it's cooked a little bit more, I'm going to add just a lot of black pepper and a little bit of salt, just because cream of mushroom soup is really high in salt. So yeah, 410 milligrams. So just add salt to your will if you'd like. You guys, so this is the consistency that we like it. I add the milk gradually until I decide that I like it. So this is the consistency. You can make it thicker or runnier. Okay, so I am craving this. I've never had it before, but I'm going to try the Alani Nu Fit Snacks melted in the microwave. I don't even know how long to do it. I've never done this before, so... Ooh, okay, she's melted. I'm going to put a little bit of Ready Whip on. Whew, looks so tay. Okay, let's try it. I feel like I microwaved it for like a minute and it's still a little hard. What the heck? Oh my god, it's so good. I underrated that. Hi guys, I'm looking crazy. It is now 11 o'clock. I've just been drinking my water and hanging out. Actually really tired, so I'm actually gonna go lay in bed, watch a show at Criminal Minds. I've been obsessed with Criminal Minds. I don't know why, but yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that this What I Eat in a Day was helpful for you in any sort of way. If you try anything that I made, please let me know down below. And I just love your guys' input. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. And give this video a thumbs up if you like my What I Eat in a Days. And I will see you on the next one. Bye guys, thank you for watching.